Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday guys. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. I'm coming in with my Sunday dessert guys. I know Chef Jeffrey fed you all of that pork chop earlier. So I'm coming in with a little dessert for you. This is going to be my nice good southern chocolate chess pie. This thing is absolutely delicious. Comes together in no time. So we're going to jump into this video and I'll show you how to get it done. Alright guys, so this might seem like a lot of ingredients, but it really isn't. I got inside of this bowl right here, I got me 1.5 cups of granulated sugar inside of this bowl and 4 tablespoons of self-rising flour. You could use cornstarch, you could use all-purpose flour. It'll give you the same results. And I got me 3 large eggs, got 2 Pillsbury pie crusts, only going to be using 1 of those. And I got me some cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, unsalted butter. And I got me some Cool Whip, some vanilla extract, and some evaporated milk. So we're going to go ahead and pull all of this thing together, guys. Flour, sugar already in the bowl. So I'm going to come in here now and I'm going to add me roughly 4 tablespoons of this cocoa powder in here, maybe a little bit more. But you can measure out exactly 4 tablespoons. I'm just kind of eyeballing it here. And then all we're going to do is just give that a little mix to bring all of that together till we get a nice uniform color just like this right here. See how quick that was? Then we can come in here and get our melted butter inside of it. Alright, then we're going to come and add our eggs to it. Want to make sure your eggs is at room temperature, guys. I'm starting to get in the habit of cracking my eggs in a bowl first instead of just cracking it inside of the bowl that I'm mixing. So that's 2. We'll go ahead and get the 3rd one inside of here. Alright, so once we got that inside of here, we're going to give that a mix. Bring all of that together also until it gets nice and smooth just like this. I'm telling you, I'm quick with that mixing now. Alright, so once we get that in, then we're going to go ahead and get our evaporated milk in. This is a 5-ounce can, guys. You want to use a 5-ounce can. This is going to make 1 pie. You want to make 2, just double this recipe. Then I added a little vanilla extract. Give that a nice mix, get that nice and smooth, everything nice and incorporated. Just like this. And that is it, guys. I got me a pie crust. I did power bake that for about 7 to 8 minutes or so. And we're going to go ahead and just pour our mixture down inside of this pie crust right here. And this is going to go in the oven, guys, 350 degrees. You can let it go for about 45 minutes, but I actually cooked mine on 325. Sometimes my oven cooks a little hot, so I cooked mine on 325 and I let it go for 50 minutes. Alright, so once this is done, I'm going to be back, show you guys the results. We're going to chill it down and put our topping, whipped cream topping on it, and then I'm going to give it a taste test for you guys. Alright guys, so this is my pie right here coming out of the oven, and I let it cool down, completely cool down, and then I put it in the refrigerator for about a good 3 or 4 hours just so that it could really set up. But this is how it looked right here after it was cooling down on my wire rack. All I'm going to do is put my whipped cream topping on this thing. Somebody interrupting me. Put my whipped cream on the top and drizzle a little chocolate over it. And I'll be back with a taste test. Alright guys, coming with a quick taste test. Got me a nice dessert here. Nice Sunday dessert. It's a nice southern chocolate chess pie. I can't wait to get into this thing, guys. I just know it's good. Nice and cool and refreshing. Bring that up close so you guys can see. Look at that. Come on, Chef Jeffrey, take a bite. Alright guys, going in. Oh my God. That's like a nice fudgy brownie with whipped cream on the top. Oh boy, this don't stand a chance. This doesn't stand a chance. That Nestle cocoa powder is pretty good. First I ever used that. Look at that. Top that off with that Nutella. That stands up nice too. I added that extra egg in it. That sets up beautifully. One more bite. One more bite. Look at that. That's beautiful. Come on, Chef Jeffrey. Take a bite. Take another bite. It ain't gonna hurt you. Oh boy. That's good. Alrighty guys, so that is it for my Sunday dessert. This chocolate chess pie was absolutely delicious. Couldn't eat any more though. I gotta save the rest for Chef Jeffrey. Gonna save the rest for Chef Jeffrey. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Have a blessed Sunday and a happy week, guys. Peace.